What are you doing? You need some Velcro? Rip! My name's Marv. Come down to my store.
Marv's Velcro Boutique.
Here's my wife, Shelly! Shelly! Shelly!
I'm Shelly. I only work in the stockroom.
She will never leave that stockroom. I keep telling her, Shelly, you gotta leave that stockroom, but she just won't budge.
Never.
We have Velcro watches. We have Velcro hats. And cats.
I'd buy it.
We have it all! Marv's Velcro Boutique. Why would you go anywhere else? Why?
Why?
Why would you do that?
Why? Why would you go anywhere else? Do you know what we don't have here? Laces! Ugh! Is your Velcro
Dirty.
so dirty? Ooh. Well, do we have a solution for you? We now offer Velcro cleaning! Oh yes, we can clean it all right.
We'll just clean it up.
You've got Velcro? We'll clean it up. 100% or your money back. All flavors. It's totally original. No one else does it. You gotta come down to Marv's Velcro Boutique. Please. My dog is starving because I can't afford the right kind of dog food. Get your Velcro.